Did you know that we are made of stardust? The very same elements that make up stars, such as hydrogen, oxygen, calcium, and iron, are also found within our bodies. When I first read this in a book, it completely amazed me. We're not just living on Earth, we're actually carrying the universe within us. I was reading this with my 5-year-old son. It was his book, in fact. I thought it would be wonderful to explain this concept to him by connecting this with the work of the philosopher Jean-Paul Sartre. Sartre believed that humans have absolute freedom. This means that when we are born, we aren't given a set purpose like a tool is. For example, a spoon is made to eat with, but humans, we are born without instructions. First we exist, and then we decide what kind of person we want to be. He believed that we are condemned to freedom. That might sound a bit odd, but it really means that unlike objects or animals, we get to decide who we are. A chair is always just a chair, and a cat is always a cat. But people can choose what they want to do, who they want to be, and how they want to live. Sartre believed that we aren't born with a fixed purpose, like a toy that's built only to do one thing. Instead, we're thrown into the world, and then we get to create our own purpose. That's what he meant when he said existence comes before essence. First, we exist, then, through our choices, we create who we are. This freedom is both exciting and liberating. It means we can't just blame destiny or some higher power for the lives we live. We have to own our choices. We're made from stars, and we're free to shape our own path. That makes life both a great adventure and a worthwhile responsibility. I truly hope I'm pronouncing Jean-Paul Sartre's name right. I googled it just to make sure. It's Sartre. If anyone has any recommendations, please do let me know. I would love to make sure that I am saying his name correctly and teaching his name to my children correctly as well. Thank you. Bye.